Welcome to Ride Ohio with Roger. Out here, it's just steel, asphalt, and whatever miles you've got left in the tank. No matter who you are, 1%, 99%, or just a weekend rider chasing a little freedom, we all breathe the same air and chase that same feeling when the throttle rolls on. This channel ain't about flash. It's about the ride, from the back roads of Ohio to the hills of Pennsylvania and West Virginia, from the Smoky Mountains to the tail of the Dragon, from Key West to the Grand Canyon. I've put rubber down across this country and lived every mile of it, 45 states and counting. The rest are coming. You'll see real rides, real roads, and places that'll make you want to fire up your own bike and go. Doesn't matter if it's across the country or just down the road from your house. Every ride means something. I'm not here to get rich. I'm here because the road calls, and I answer. So if you've got gas in your veins and a little wonder in your soul, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe, ride along, and let's see where the road takes us. Roger.